Your first week on Fetch Rewards is usually about learning how the app works, not earning the maximum possible rewards from every receipt. By the end of this, you'll know what to expect during your first week, which habits make the biggest difference, and how to avoid common beginner mistakes. The first thing you'll notice is that earning depends on the receipts you submit and the offers available when you shop. If your purchases include eligible brands or promotional products, your rewards can be different from someone buying completely different items. That's why comparing your first week with another person's results usually isn't very useful. During your first few days, spend a little time exploring the app before your next shopping trip. Look through available offers, featured brands, and any promotions that match products you already plan to buy. Planning ahead gives you a better chance of earning rewards without changing your normal shopping habits. After shopping, scan your receipt as soon as possible. A clear, complete receipt helps the app recognize eligible purchases more accurately. Make sure the store name, purchase date, item list, and total are all visible before submitting it. Another good habit is reviewing your processed receipt. If an eligible item wasn't recognized correctly, check whether the app provides a way to request a review. Keeping the original receipt until processing is complete gives you documentation if it's needed later. Don't expect every receipt to produce the same result. Some receipts qualify for more rewards because they include participating products, while others may earn only the standard rewards available through the platform. That's completely normal. It's also worth checking the app regularly during your first week. Offers can change, and new promotions may appear before your next shopping trip. Getting into the habit of checking before you shop is more effective than checking after you've already purchased everything. One mistake many new users make is buying products they don't actually need just because they see a promotion. A better strategy is matching offers with purchases you already intended to make. That keeps your spending under control while still taking advantage of available rewards. Another mistake is throwing away receipts immediately after scanning them. Keep them until your rewards have been processed in case you need to verify a purchase. To sum it up, expect your first week to be a learning period. Check offers before shopping, scan clear receipts promptly, and review processed receipts for accuracy. Next, focus on building a consistent routine instead of trying to maximize every single receipt right away. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards tips, and check out our other videos covering receipt scanning, missing points, and reward app strategies.